What's going on, guys? Kenny here. Welcome back to another exciting episode of 970 Bass Fishing. Blah. So today, it's mystery tackle box time. We just got our mystery tackle box in the mail. So we're going to try to do our MTB Slam. Let's go over here and I'm going to show you kind of what I got. I'm going to rig it up and I'll show you how I rigged it up at the water. We're not only going to be doing just an MTB Slam either. We're going to be going and picking up a canoe, so we're going to be doing like a Canoe MTB Slam, so it's going to be cool. Hope you guys stick along with me and enjoy. Alright guys, so if you don't know what MTB is, Mystery Tackle Box, it's a monthly subscription. $15 a month up to $25 a month for the MTB Pro, and they just send you a box full of lures that you never would have really tried before in the first place, and they average out like the $15 box averages out to be like $25 box and so on and so forth. So it's a really cool deal. You try out a bunch of baits you never thought you would have tried before, and it just ships right to your house, and it comes with this little card that tells you what's in, what it's listed at. So we got the first thing in the box is a Chuggin' Frog from Throwback Lures. Retails at $8.99. Chuggin' Frog, Throwback Lures, $8.99. Next inside the box is XB1 from Excite Baits in the bluegill color, square bill crankbait. Retails at $7.99. So right there we already have our money back in the first two baits, plus some. Heck of a deal, guys, heck of a deal. If you haven't tried them yet, try them out. If you're going to the store spending a ton of money on baits and lures and you don't really know what you're buying or how to fish them, Mystery Tackle Box, guys. I'm not affiliated with this company at all, so I'm just saying I like it. I get a bunch of baits that I never tried before, and then I learn a lot more. So $7.99 square bill, bluegill color. Next in the box, from Mr. Finesse Pro Split Shots. Cool little package there. Not quite sure how I'm going to rig these up yet, but maybe we'll use them as part of my drop shop. We'll see. That's $2.70 for a 2-pack. Next up we have the premium extra wide gap drop shot hook from Skinny Bear. 6 in a package. Beautiful, beautiful little hooks. Super excited to try these out, and I got 2 of those. Don't know how I did, but I got 2 of them. $2.49 a piece. So heck yeah. Still more in here, guys. We got a sample bag from Live Bass, from Baitmate, actually. Baitmate Fish Attractant, Live Bass, Ultra Concentrate Formula. Just a little scent additive to get our smell off. Get something the bass like on. I don't really know. Yeah, what? I guess Live Bass. That's the smell. That's the smell. Last but not least, guys, we got the V&M pork pin worms. Says it was pork fat cooked, but those retail at $5.29. Oh no, $4.99. Sorry, $4.99. The Baitmate is at $5.29 for a 5-ounce bottle, or 50 cents for this 0.20 ounce sample. Super excited. Probably drop shot those. Texas Frig, Dudak, whatever I gotta do to catch some fish for you guys. Also, I opened the box. I'm sorry. I had to. I I did the match the hatch. You get a lottery ticket in here. If you match 3 of these symbols up, you win the prize shown. Really cool little thing they throw in there. I did not win. Better luck next time. They give you a sticker. Really nice holographic shiny sticker. And your Dibble Digest. It's just a little article magazine here. You can go through. It tells you about flipping, pitching. It tells you about the baits that you kind of got. And just a real cool article on moon phases, how the moon affects the fishing. Just a cool little addition, guys. So if you haven't yet, check out Mystery Tackle Box. Pretty dope. Send you a bunch of baits. So here in 10 minutes, we'll go pick up the canoe and we'll get out there. And I'm going to tie these on now, and I'll show you guys kind of how I tied them on when I get there before we start fishing. So enjoy the time lapse to the gravel pit. We're going to a gravel pit, so yeah, it should be an exciting day. Exciting day. Alright guys, we made it to where the boat is located. Let's get it loaded up. Alright, we got the boat loaded up, guys. Let's get it on the water. What's going on, guys? Today I'm out in the canoe. We're going to try the MTB Slam. First thing I got tied on is my Excite square bill crankbait. The boys at MTB sent me. So let's get out of this brush pile and let's see if we can catch some fish. Alright guys, on the drop shot, off camera. It's nice. Nice fish. Look at that bass, guys, on the drop shot. Guys, look at that fish. Drop shot. Bait number 1 complete. Alright guys, I'm out of time. I'm sorry. I only got one of the baits today. Super hot. Super tricky. Looks like that's it, guys. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment, like down below. If you want to keep seeing more videos like this, I'll try to come out here again and complete this MTB Slam before my 24-hour period is over. But as always, stay hooked, and I'll see you guys on the next one.